Hello everyone, welcome to Pushpaganga YouTube channel. So here we are discussing about the data interpretation topics. So these data interpretation topics, the questions in this topic was occurred on 31st/10/2021 in the ACF examinations conducted by KPSC. So now before solving the questions about the data interpretation, let us know what exactly data interpretation is and what type of the questions will be arising in data interpretation. So in this data interpretation problems, so we get also along with data interpretation, we also will get the problems based on averages, percentage, ratio and proportion. Along with this, see, this mainly data interpretation consists of line graph, bar graph, pie chart and data table. So now in this, based on these things, let's solve few questions, some around 10 to 15 questions that was appeared in ACF examinations. Okay, so here is our so this is the mental ability quantity aptitude book, simplified quantitative aptitude. So this book is useful for all the state public service commission examinations and all the management examinations, then UPSC examinations. So this book is being published by Pushpaganga Enterprises and written by myself, NG Puneet. So now let's start with the questions that was appeared in ACF examinations on 31st/10/2021. So now this is a question based on line graph. So now we are just studying about, he says, study the following line graph and answer the questions based on it. So here we have number of vehicles manufactured and in different number of years. So here we have got two companies, so company X and company Y. So in these years starting from 1997 to 2002, and the manufacturing has been mentioned in thousands. So here's the first question. So this question number is 3. So as per the set A, so what is the difference between the number of vehicles manufactured by company Y in 2000 and 2001? So here we are concerned about 2000 and 2001. So we are focusing on company Y. Company Y is represented by the square one and the company X is represented by the rhombus. So in 2000 we are focusing, and 2001. So in 2000 the company, as you said, we are focusing on this particular thing. So it's 128. In 2000 the production is 128 and in 2001 the production is 107. So now anyway these are represented in thousands. Already is represented in 1000. The same thing, the answer also will be in 1000. 8 minus 7 is 1. So now 2 minus 0 is 2. So this will be 0. So the answer is 21,000. So the answer will be B, 21,000. The answer for the question will be B. So now let's move to the next question. So here is the question. So what is the average number of vehicles manufactured by company X over the given period of time? So here this question is based on average topic. So he's asking about average number of vehicles manufactured by company X. So now while calculating average, we take a general formula. So total sum divided by total number. Okay, so the sum we need to calculate 119, 99, 149 and total numbers. So there is nothing but 119 plus 99 plus 141 plus 78 plus 120, then plus 120 and then 159. So divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So this is nothing but 9 plus 9 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 0, 27, 27 plus 9, 36. 3 carry on. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 4, so 17, 17 plus 7, 26, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 26 plus 5, 31. 3 carry. 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 716 divided by 6. So now we go with this. So now anyway we have got the answer. We are taking with approximate because rounded off to the nearest integer. We can take the nearest in answer itself. So 6 ones are. See, everything has got 1. So we can't come to a conclusion on this. So 6 ones are 6 and 1 carry on. 6 ones are, because it is greater than, it is lesser than 12. 6 ones are 6 again. So remainder 5, carry on to 5. So again, comparably everything 1, still now we can't come to an answer, conclusion. So now 5 is there, 56. So when 56, 6 9s are 54, 2 carry, 6 9s are 54, which has got 2. So this will be the nearest answer for this. Okay, so there is no need to calculate the whole problem. So we got the answer 1,19,333. So the answer for the first question is 4D. So now let's move to the next question. So here the last question based on this line graph. So the production of company Y in 2000. So the production of company Y in 2000 was approximately what percent of the production of company X in the same year. So now we are speaking about production of company Y. Company Y, the square one, the square 128. It was approximately in the same year. We are speaking about the same year 2000 production of company X. So now this is nothing but we are speaking about same year 128 in 2000, 128 divided by 78. Since he is asking about approximately what percent is nothing but into 100. So now we are converting into 100. So now we'll go with the nearest answer. This is nothing but 78 divided by 128, 2 zeros, right? 78, 128. So now we can go with this. So 78, the nearest answer to 78, 128. So 78 ones are 78. So now 880, 12 minus 7, it's 50. So now 10, because 50 is lesser than 78, we have borrowed. So 10 again over here, 10 is brought down. So now comparably with, so still we can't come to a conclusion. So now 78, 7 sevens is less. So now we'll go with 6. So 7, 8 6 are 50, 8 6 are 48, 4. So 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 42 plus 4, 46. So now 2, this is 9, 3, 5 minus 4, 1, sorry, 4, 0, 32, again 0 over here. So now 1 6, look at the options. You already got an answer, no need to solve further. So now we are going with, because he's asking about an approximately, so the nearest answer, because the next answer, because here is 8 is there, this is not possible, this is eliminated, and this already is eliminated. So the answer will be C, 3 164 percentage. Okay, so these are the questions we solved based on the line graph. So now let's move to the next topic. So here the questions are based on the bar graph. So now here the question says that the bar graph given below show the percentage distribution of total expenditure of a company. So under various expenses head. So in the during the year 2020, so different number of expenses are given, different number of expenses like infrastructure, expenses based on infrastructure, expenses based on the transport, expenses based on advertisement, then expenses based on taxes, research, salary and interest. Okay, these are the different types of expenditures I have mentioned. So here the first question based on this, and so if the expenditure in advertisement is 2.10 crore, then if the expenditure in advertisement, we go with this. So if expenditure is 2.10 crore, then difference between the expenditure on transport and taxes. So what is the difference between the expenditure? This is the percentage wise distribution. We know that this is a percentage wise distribution. So we already know this 15% is equal to 2.10 crore. 15%. So then he is asking the difference. The difference is nothing but 12.5 minus 10. 12.5 minus 10 is nothing but 2.5 percentage. We need to know what is 2.5 percentage of 2.10 crore. So now we know that. So 15% is 2.10. Half of that will be nothing but 7.5 percentage. 7.5 percentage if you go with this. Okay, if you go with this, then definitely. So if you calculate what is 2.1, half of 2.1 is, so divide by 2, so 2 ones are, so it's nothing but 1.0 crore. Again, so because we want 2.5 percentage, again again divide by, because if you go with elimination process, this cannot be the answer, delete with this. So now 1.04, divide 7.5 percentage again by 2. If we divide 7.5 percentage by 2, we go with 3.25 percentage. So 3.25 percentage, again 1.05 divided by 2, go with this. So 1.05 divided by 2, it is nothing but 5. So 2 5s are, it is nothing but 2 2s are 52.5. So again 52.5. So 95 lakhs is greater than 52.5 lakhs. So 65 lakhs is also lesser than that, and through elimination process the answer left out is with and rupees 35 lakhs. Okay, so now the nearest answer, obviously 2.5 lakhs will be 35 lakhs based on this. So now the answer for this 68th question or the fourth question according to us will be 35 lakhs. So here is the next question. So now here it speaks about the interest amounted to rupees 2.45 crore. So he says that the interest is targeting of about the total expenditure contributing around 2.45 crores. So now if it is contributed 2.45 crore, then what is the share it holds in the total expenditure? So now as per the data given here, we can know that the total expenditure of the interest is, the total value of the interest is 17.5% of the total expenditure. So now we don't know the value of total expenditure, we can take the value as X. So now we need to calculate what exactly, how much is total expenditure. So through this data we can calculate using 2.45 crore. So this can be done by 17.5 divided by 100 into X. So 17.5 divided by 100 into X is equal to 2.45. So we need to calculate the value of X. X is equal to 2.45 into the denominator on the right hand side. We'll go to the numerator on the left hand, and then the numerator on the left hand side will go to the denominator on the right hand side. So on the left hand side, so now denominator, so now it becomes, so since two decimals are there in the numerator and one decimal is there in the denominator, so now we'll carry forward, we'll carry only one denominator, one zero to the denominator, so it becomes 245. So divide by 1750 into 100. So 10 get cancels, and the remaining is, so 2450 divided by 175. So 2450 will be divided by 175. If it's done like that, so we can get the value as, so now 2450 divided by 175. So this is nothing but 175 we get 175 remainder, so 0. So 24 minus 17 we get 7 0. So 175 4s are, so 5 4s are 20. So 17 4s are 68 plus 2 70. So remainder 0. So we get the X value as 14 crores. The X value as 14 crores. So now here the next question continue with this. He says that then the total amount of the expenditure on advertisement, taxes and research. The total amount on expenditure on advertisement, taxes and research contributes how much? So as per the data here, we can know that, so it contributes to 15% advertisement, taxes contributes to 10% and research contributes to 5%. So 15 plus 10 plus 5, this is nothing but 30%. Okay. So now going with the further, we know the value of X is 14. So now X is 14, we came to know the value of X is equal to 14 crore. So now we are with the further calculations taking down the advertisement, taxes and research. So this is nothing but 30% of 14. 30% of 14 crore. What exactly is 30% of 14 crore? 30 by 100 into 14. 0 0 cancels. 7 2 7s are 2 5s are. So 7 3s are 21. 21 divided by 5. 21 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. So 1 0. 5 2s are 10. So this is nothing but 4.2 crores. 4.2 crores. The answer will be 4.2 crores. So now this is the answer for the 69th question, and we'll go with the next question. So this is the topic based on the table. So now the study the following table and answer the questions based on it. Expenditure of a company, again we are given with the company expenditures. So now company name Pisitas as per annum over the given years. So here he has given about the items of expenditure, and we have given so years. So he has given the different segments where the expenditures has been going on: sales, fuel and transport, bonus, interest on loans, and taxes. So now going with the first question based on this topic. So what is the average amount of interest per year in which the company had to pay during this period? So now average, again the question is based on average. So when we need to calculate the average, we need to go with the total sum divided by the total numbers. So total numbers. So now we need to calculate for average amount of the company paying interest per year. So the interest loans we need to calculate what is the average. So we can go with this. So now 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 4 19, 19 plus 3 23, 2 carry, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 9 23. Okay, so now 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 5 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 5 23. So now here we need to calculate the total sum is 233.3 divided by total numbers 1 2 3 4 5. So now we need to calculate 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. So 3 carry 20, 5 fours are 4. Everything is there. Again all the options has got 4 in the tens place. We can't come to a conclusion. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. Again 3 carry. So 6. So we have got the option with fourth question. So the answer will be 46.66%. Yeah, 46.66 interest. So the average is 46.66, not percentage, sorry. So now again we are going with the next question. So that is the answer for this. Again I said in the initial itself, no need to solve the whole problem if you get the answer earlier itself. So because in the examination the time we need to preserve time for the next questions. So now here is the question. The total amount of bonus paid by the company, total amount of bonus, we are speaking about this segment, by bonus paid by the company during the given period is approximately what percent? So bonus is approximately, bonus divided by approximately what percent of the total amount of salary. Total amount of salary, probably here we don't have any number called segment called salary. Probably it has to be sales, so we'll take it as sales itself. So salary, so this will be sales as per the data, sales paid during this period. So now we are taking about the total, and we is asking about the approximately what percent into 100. Bonus calculate. So 8 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 6 carry forward 2, then 8 plus 5 is nothing but 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 9 30. So then 3 1 2 3 3s are 9, 9 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 9 21. So this is nothing but bonus contributes to 21. So now going ahead with the sales is nothing but 8 plus 2 10, 14 20, 2 carry, 8 plus 2 10, 14 16, 16 plus 3 19, 19 plus 2 21. Again 2 carry, 2 2 4, 4 8, 8 12, 16, 16 plus 5 21. 2110 into 100. So this is nothing but 2100 divided by 211. So 0. So 0 get cancels. So we need to divide 210 by 21. So this is nothing but 0.9, because 2110 is less than 211. So we have to go with 0.99. So approximately 0.9. So this cannot be the answer. Is asking about approximately. 0.5 cannot be the answer because 0.5 is lesser than 0.9. So 1.25 cannot be the answer because 1.25 is very much greater than 0.9. So the nearest answer is 1.00% because it goes on the decimal 0.999%. So the answer is, because we have taken with this, so approximately 210 and 211 is almost nearer. So we go with 1%. Okay, so the answer is 1%. So now we are coming with the next question. So here the question speaks about the paddy agriculture production, about two commodities. One is the paddy and another one is wheat. So the paddy represents the circle one and wheat represents the square, the rectangle one. So now here it says about the average production of paddy over the given period. Average production of paddy. So again, when we are calculating average, we are going with sum divided by numbers, total sum divided by numbers. When we want to calculate, so paddy production, so paddy production is nothing but 119, then represents 99, 141, 78, 120, and then 159, 78 and 159. So calculate with this, we have got 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 1, 19, 19 plus 8, 27, 27 plus 9, 36, 3 carry. So 9 plus 1, 10, 13, 13 plus 4, 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 2, 26, 26 plus 5, 31, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 716. So the sum is 716. Total numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have got with 6 divided by 6. So 6 ones are. So we go with 6 ones are. We got 6 and then carry with 1 forward. 6 again. 6 ones are. So 6 ones are 6. 5 carry. Can we get an answer? No. So then 6 nines are 54. 2 carry. Can we get the answer? Yes, we can get the answer. So the answer is nothing but 119,333. So actually the same data has been similar to the first problems, but the data is same, but the question is different. So the answer for this question is 84.1. We'll go with the next. So here in this question, so in which of the following years the difference between the production of paddy and wheat was the maximum among the given years? So in which among the years the production of paddy among the paddy and wheat was maximum among the given years? So by looking at the graph itself, we can come to a conclusion. See, the difference between, in 2007, the differences between paddy and wheat is very less. 120, 99 is less. So 141, this is 141 and 100, quite interesting, quite far. And 128 and 78, 120, 107, 159, it is not at all nearer. So the difference between, in 2009, the difference between paddy and wheat is almost 41, because 141 minus 100 is 41. So now 128 and 78. So difference here, 128 and 78 in the year. So this is for 2009 and this is for 2010. So 8 cancels. So now 12 minus 7, this is nothing but 50. So which is greater? 50 is greater. The maximum difference is, so in the year 2010, we go with 2010 as the option 4. 2010 is the answer for this. So now we go with the next question. He is asking about the production of wheat in 2010. The production of wheat in 2010 was approximately what percent of the production of paddy in the same year? Production of wheat in 2010 is what percent of production of paddy in the same year? So wheat is to paddy. So now production of wheat by paddy, approximately what percentage into 100? So now in the year 2010, is 128 divided by 78 into 100. So again we go with this. So 78, 128, 00, right? Because 100. So now we go with 178. 78, if you go with twice, 70 plus 70 of approximately 140. 128 will be lesser than that. We can't take 2. So 170, 78 ones are 78, 0, 12 minus 7 is 5. 0 1 0 we have taken. So then we can go with 6 nearest answer. So now 8 6 are 48, 4 7 6 are 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42, 42 plus 4 46. So 6 nearest answer. This cannot be possible, this cannot be possible, this can be possible. No need to solve the whole complete. So we can go with the answer 164 as the answer for this. So the total value, the production is approximately 164 percentage. The answer is 164. So now let's go with the next type of question. So here is the questions number 89 to 89, 87 to 89. So here he speaks about different trains. He speaks about train runs through cities A, B, C, D, E, F and G and H. So he asks about the line graph. The question is based on the line graph, indicates the time schedule of the train, including times of arrival and departure. Because arrival, we know that the train comes to a station, and departure is the train going out of the station. So now we know that he has given the time slots at what time the train comes to a station and what time the train exits, depart from the station. So here he is given the cumulative distance. So now let's see what the question is. So now he says that the total stoppage time at the cities in the first half and the second half, exactly half of that, the first half and the second half of the total distance is in the ratio of what? He is asking us to calculate the ratio of first half is to second half, the difference of first half and the second half. So let's see how many what is the total stoppages. So now the total distance covered is 860. We know the total distance covered is 860. So the train starts at 7 o'clock. The train starts at 7 o'clock and reaches one station at 8:40. Okay, so it comes to the station B at 8:40 and it arrives at 8:40 and departs at 8:50. So he has given the time. Departure time is represented by D, arrival time is represented by A. So departure time is 8:50. What is the time limit? So the time is something about 10 minutes. The time is, okay, here we use with this. Time is 10 minutes, the first one. And the next one goes on with this. So here, so it reaches train at 10:10 and departs at 10:12. So the time gap is 2 minutes. So the stoppage, the train halting at the station. Stoppage means halting at the station for 2 minutes. And then again, so it arrives to the D station at 11:55. So then it departs at 12. The train stoppage is 5 minutes. And again go with the next. So here it reaches the another station at 13:20. 13:20 is and departs from at 13:30. So difference will be 10 minutes. So we have got 10 minutes. And again go with the next. So it reaches another station then at 11:45 2:45 14:20 45 and it departs at 15. So difference is 15 minutes. That is the stoppage time is 15 minutes. And then it reaches the station G. It reaches station G at 5 o'clock, that is 17 hours, and leaves at 17:10 minutes. So that is nothing but the stoppage is 10 minutes. And finally it reaches the H station at 16 hours 25 minutes, that is nothing but 18 hours 25 minutes. Okay, so now how many stoppages we have got? We have got 6 stoppages. So we can classify into first half 3 and second half 3. So the first half is nothing but 8 plus 2 12 plus 5 17. The first half is 17. Second half 10 plus 15 25 plus 10 35. So this is approximately he is asking. So then we are total stoppage time is total distance. First half second half is in the ratio. So now we go with this, not exactly we can get a ratio. 17 ones are 17 twos are 34. So 17 twos are 34. We can get an approximate of 17.1.1:2. We go with an approximation 1:2. So the answer will be fourth option 1:2. So it cannot be 1:3 because it's more than that, and 3:1 it cannot be possible. Either 2:1 2:1 cannot be possible because this is greater, this is lesser than 35. 17 is greater than 35. So now we go with answer 4 1:2. So we can go with the next question. So now here in the next question it speaks about if the train stops at each city for 50% more time than what it is at present. Okay, so in the previous problem we came to know what is the stoppage. So here the stoppage is nothing but it is the stoppage nothing but the halting. So it is 10 minutes. So here it is 2 minutes, and here it is 5 minutes. So here we know that it is again 10 minutes. So here it is 15 minutes. So here 10 minutes. So he says that, so 50% stops at each city, 50% more, then what is the final time? That is 50% more is extra time that is added on to the final time, final journey. So then what is the 50% more? Let's calculate. We know that it is 10 plus 2, nothing but 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 10, 27, 27 plus 15, 37, 42, 42 plus 10, that is nothing but 52 minutes. So he says that the stoppage, okay, the stoppage is 50% more. What is 50% of 21? 50% of 52? This is nothing but 26. 26 minutes more. We are adding 26 minutes more to the present time. So if we add 26 minutes more to the present time, this is nothing but, so what is the final time? 18 hours 25 minutes. 18 hours 25 minutes. So if we are adding 20 minutes more, 26 minutes more, this is nothing but, so 26, it is nothing but 25, then half an hour more than it will be that. So 6 plus, like 5 plus 6, it will be because this is the time. So this is nothing but 1825, so 1835, 1845, then 1845, obviously it has to be 1851. So 51, 5 plus 6, 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, this has to be 18. So the timings will be 1851. So here he says that, so if the time is increasing by 50% of everything, so instead of calculating 10 into what is 5%, this will become 15, this will become 3, this will become 2.5, this will become 12, this one again 15. So instead of calculating for individual, let's take all the together, and we know that is 52 minutes. 52 minutes half, because he's asking about 50 percentage. 50 percentile is 26 minutes. So 26 minutes add on to the final time in the time chart. So final time in the time chart, that is, it has arrived at H station. It has arrived at H station at 6:25. So if it is arriving at 6:25, if 26 minutes further delay, so it will be 1851. That is 6:51 p.m. So that is nothing but 18 hours 51. So now we go with the next question, and the last question of the today's topic. So now the overall average speed. Again, he's asking about an average. Overall average speed is nothing but, so we know that average speed is equal to sum divided by number of that entire trip excluding the stoppage time. He's asking the excluding the stoppage time. So now average speed of average speed, he's calculating the average speed. So now we'll go with this. So we know that average speed is nothing but average distance by average time taken. Average distance by total time taken. Average speed, total distance by total time taken. What is the total distance and what is total time? We know that total distance is 860 kilometers. It has covered 860 kilometers. So now we need to calculate what is total time. He is not asking us the total time. So in this is asking excluding the stoppage. So now before, if you want to know what is the total time, we need to calculate what is the total time taken including the stoppage. It starts from 7 o'clock in the morning and ends at 6:25 in the evening. 7 o'clock, so 10, it will be like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 till 6, somewhere around it will be 11 hours. Okay, so it will be 11 hours. Okay, sorry. Yes. So anyway, sorry for this. So we went with this. Total distance is total distance by total time taken. That is nothing but average speed, total time taken. So total distance is nothing but 860, total time taken, but excluding the stoppage. So now total time taken. So now total time taken is nothing but, we have got across 11 hours 25 minutes. 11 hours 25 minutes. So in this we need to exclude the stoppage. From the previous problem, we came to know the stoppage is 52 minutes. Stoppage is 52 minutes. So this is nothing but like here 10 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and then we go on with that. So stoppage is nothing but 52 minutes. So now in this we are deducting 52 minutes from this. So how we can calculate? So 11 hours 25 minutes minus 52 minutes. So what we will get? 5 minus 2 we get 3. So 2 we carry on 6. So 6 plus 2 8. 8 minus 5 3. So 10 hours 33. 10 hours 33. So approximate we can take, because he's just asking about the approximate. We can go with this approximate as 10.5 hours. 10.5 hours. So this is nothing but we will consider as 10 hours 30 minutes. So this is nothing but 10.5 hours. So we are calculating 860 by so 10. So this 5 goes on with that. So excluding the overall average speed, entire trip, excluding the stoppage, we are removing the stoppage. If we remove the stoppage, that is 52 minutes of the stoppage, we get with the final answer. We get with the final time 10 hours 33 minutes. That is nothing but 10 hours 5 that is half an hour. It's nothing but 50. So half of that 10.5. So still 10 is there. We just carry on over here. 105 divided by 860. So again we go with this. So 105. So divide by 8600. So now 105 8 za. So now 8 5 za 40. 4 over here. 8 1 za 8. And again. So now 0 2. So now the nearest answer will be, so because this cannot be possible, 8 is the first number in the product. So we can go with 8145 kilometers per hour, because it has been expressed in kilometers per hour and this has been in hours. So the final answers will be 81 kilometers per hour. So this is the value for this question. And then, so this is all about today's topic about the data interpretation, and we have solved all types of questions including the line graph, bar graph, and except the pie chart. So again, this is the book referred for simplified for quantitative aptitude. So this is all about today's topic. If you have any doubts, please call to the below number, and I hope you enjoy the session. Thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you.